Oh shit. Yep, that wouldn't be good. Yeah, see what happens when you let the water run over? Oh yeah. Well, at least it stops at some point. Alright, well, I am leak testing my brew station. Obviously it leaks if you get it too high. Look at that sucker. It's right at the rim. Man. Oh yeah. Now we're not going to be able to tell who's leaking. Shit. So this is the HLT. It's got a stainless steel coil, 50 feet coil in there. And this top and bottom are the coil ins and outs. It's got a master out. It's got a sight gauge. I haven't got the numbers on it yet. This is a polycarbonate sight gauge. You're supposed to put numbers 1 through 15 to indicate the number of gallons. You can calibrate that. This middle one is the boil kettle. Standard out. It's got a sight gauge. And it has a whirlpool. That's a little device that if you run the pump, it creates a whirlpool. Traps all the trouble in the middle. We got a 5500 watt heating element right here. Temperature sensor in the back. Dip tube to service the main out. Same thing as in the HLT. Temperature sensor is right down there. You can see it? Yep, you can. And then on the very far right, we have the mash tun. Standard out. This one's a little different. We've got a temperature sensor right here. We're going to have digitals, but we have analog too. Dip tube going into the center there of a false bottom. And we have, there's the temperature, there's the digital temperature sensor. And then we have a lock line, all cam locked. Everything's cam lock on this thing. Cam lock everywhere. Notice the cam lock shutoffs. Got a cam lock line, and there's the lock line with the little nozzles on it, so it'll rain or rinse or sparge, whatever you want to call it, down in the grains. Well, I currently have these two kegs filled with water, the middle one all the way to the top. Yeah, we had an overflow, and this one is filling right now. I just got done making the framing the last couple days. So that framing is I welded 1/8 inch 1/8 inch tubular frame together, and every 12 inches I put a horizontal bar, welded it in place, and then I welded